guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you a particular platform that you can run Telegram advert on with just a little fee and get huge amount of followers. In my former video, I showed you how to run Telegram adverts on Telegram itself. But the problem we had here is that the minimum you need to deposit on your Telegram to run adverts on it is 20 tones. And 20 tones is about $106. Which I know that a lot of people don't have this particular amount of money. So in this platform I am going to introduce to you, you can use even as low as $1 to run an advert. You can deposit, in fact, let me be specific, you can deposit as low as $1, $2, $3, $5, $10. Not Telegram that demands that you must deposit 20 tones before you will be able to run an advert on it. Okay, so if this is what interests you, I want you to stick around on this video, and you have every reason to share this video after watching it. Don't forget to like the video, drop a very nice comment, subscribe and turn on the bell. Let's go there. Now, already the platform is now on the screen, and the name of this platform is telega.io. When you come to telega.io, you're gonna see a lot of things, but first thing I want you to look at is this place. All right, if you're visiting the platform, you can visit it as an advertiser or as a channel owner. If you're visiting as an advertiser, then you want to advertise on other people's Telegram channel and gain massive followers or massive engagement, as the case may be. Look at this Telegram ads platform, trusted and effective channels. As you can see, we help with finding target audiences on Telegram and launching successful advertising campaigns. So guys, when you come to this platform newly, of course, the first thing you need to do is to hover over the interface. I know you were expecting me to say to sign up. No. Just any platform you come for the first time, just walk through the platform, like hover over the home page and look at what is there. As you can see, Trustpilot rated this excellent, and this should be about 4.5 rating or something like that. As you can see, this is about to reach the 5 stars to tell you that this platform is very good and it is paying a lot of people. And this platform is working with Stone Society, Active Trades, BitGet, Careers, CEX.io, CyberClink, and the rest of that. So guys, it is now time for us to sign up. After checking all these things, you need to sign up on this particular platform. So to sign up, we click on sign up, guys. All right, they will ask you whether you are signing up as an advertiser or a channel owner. The advertiser is already checked, so we click on continue. Now, when we click on continue, as you can see, this is a place you put your email. Then here, you find your Telegram username or the number you used in registering that Telegram. You put it here. When you click on create, they are going to send a message to that your Telegram for you to activate it. And when you click on that particular message, boom, it will be activated for you. So due to the fact that I already have an account on this platform, let's go back to the home page. Then let me log in. Remember, this toggled on advertiser already, so let me log in. All right, as you can see, it has already suggested my email and my password, smarthustlyt@gmail.com, and my password. So let me click on continue. Once you click on continue, they're gonna send a code to your email. Let's go right there and get the code immediately. As you can see in my email from telega.io, we can then copy this code. All right, then come here, we paste, then we log in. So look at it, guys. As you can see, I already have $2 balance here. The first thing for you to do on this platform is to top up, but I think I will be coming to that later. Let's not take it as the first thing. As you can see, I have already created a new campaign before, but I topped up my account and was waiting for my money to reflect before I go ahead with the advert. But if I want to run a new advert, okay, if I want to run it with bots, I click here. If I want to run it with forwards or ad plans, I click here. But the most important and most popular two places here are channels and bots. All right, I want to run my advert on Telegram channels, so I leave it on the channel tab, then click on new project. This particular place is where you run your advert. This place is AI channel picker. If you click on this place, an AI will pick the best channel for what you want to run your advert on, but I don't advise using that. Then when you come down, as you can see, this particular platform is having a total of 6,624 channels in their catalog. Under this place is where you have rating. This rating simply means from the most rated channel down to the less rated channel. So if you click on this rating, it gives you the list of the channel according to their rating. If you click on these followers, it gives you according to the followers. If you click on here, these views, it gives you channel according to the amount of views they are getting in order. If you click on price, it will give you channels according to their prices. From here, you can still search a particular channel to know whether you can get it here. Let me just type something like SmartYT. So I have SmartYT. So Guys, this is my channel. As you can see, I'm already connected to this particular platform. You can run an advert on my channel. I'm just giving you an expert. So that is it. With a minimum of $1.2, you can run an advert on my channel. So if you search for any channel here, if that channel is connected to telega.io, you will get the channel almost instantly. You can also search by topic. So when you click on topic, you see a lot of topic that a lot of channel in Telegram are posting things on. There are channels that post on airdrop. So if you are doing something that concerns an airdrop, you can as well select this. So if you select it right now and clean up this, you are going to be seeing channels that are doing things of airdrop. Just take a look at this. These are channels that are doing things of airdrop and crypto. As you can see, legit airdrop and blah blah blah. You can select multiple keywords. They can even show you a channel that deals with a lot of keywords. Like my channel deals with betting, it deals with sports arbitrage, that is arbitrage, it deals with crypto, and it deals with forex, which a lot of you know about it. If we go down, you see betting and gambling. You can click on it, and when you click on it, channels that deals with betting will be suggested. Okay, so look at this: bet slots, casino, blah blah blah, bookmaker predict, that's predictor, and the rest of that. So I can just click on here and leave only this one keyword. Then I come to language. You can select any language you want. It depends on the language you want the channel to have. Some channel makes use of Hindi language. Some channel post their things on Chinese language. So from here you can select it. Or the best to select for me, I don't know for you, is English. Okay, you can even select region. All right, from here you can select Ethiopia. It depends on the place you want to run your advert. And you can select India, Ethiopia, Italy, Turkey, United States. It depends on the people you want to run the advert. If you want to run on all regions, you can select all regions. You apply. I hope you are getting what I'm teaching you guys. Okay, so click on this ER. All right, when you click on that, you start seeing a lot of suggestion. Okay, then you see that there is a channel that can charge you as low as $6. This one can charge as low as $2.4. All right, and when you check this, the channel has 312 followers with 3.4k views, and the guy is charging $2.4. Wow. All right, it's okay, guys. My advice to you guys is, when you get that to 1,000 followers, right, please start with the minimum amount. That is how you're gonna get people very well, because I'm gonna still teach you how to set up your account so that people run an advert on your account. So for you to do this, it requires 1,000 followers only, and you can then submit your channel here. Just take a look at this guy that have 312 followers. He's charging $2.4. Who's gonna advertise on this platform? That's not sharp. Even with 1,000 followers, look at this, 1,000 followers, and the person is charging $12. These people, it will be hard for them to get orders. All right, orders will be hard for them to get. So you have 1,000. If you don't have more than 3,000 followers, don't increase from $1. Like this particular guy, let's scroll down. All right, I think I saw one from here. Okay, now look at this. Like this particular guy now, well, even this guy doesn't have 1,000 followers. He's already charging $1.32. Okay, so that is it. Look at this one, almost 1,000 followers, 957. That is, we can call it approximately 1,000, but the person is charging $1.2. This person will be getting orders more than all these guys that are off here. And there are certain things they check. They check your views. How do you get views? The rate of views you get. Like this one is getting 5.4k views. All right, which simply means that if you run an advert here in an hour, a lot of people might have seen the advert, and you'll be getting massive followers. This one is having 12.8k followers. Just look at the amount. Okay, so I think it judges from the followers. This one has 3.8k followers. It's charging $12. Okay, for those people that are charging, that are not up to 1,000, but they are charging, like this person, look at the views, getting 0 views. There is no engagement. Nobody will advertise on this platform. You don't even know what you're doing. And I must tell you guys at this point that if you want people to be advertising on your platform, you make sure that not only getting 1,000 followers, you must have something you are posting there. It can be free tips. Like if you are good in betting, you can be posting free tips on daily basis. You know that. Okay, you can be posting free tips on daily basis so that you'll be getting views, and make sure your followers have started enjoying what you're doing. That will make them, whenever you post, they will rush it immediately, plus getting you more views. Like look at this one. This is 1,000 subscribers plus. The person is getting 642 views at least. Okay, at least people can still advertise here because people will see it's not 0 views and you are charging $1.32. So that is it. So guys, this is how you find the channel you are going to advertise on. All right, and take a look at this place. This particular place, you have format. Now let me explain what it means. This 1/24 simply means that This particular, if you advertise on this and select this, 24 means 24 hours and 1 means 1 hour. This 1 hour simply means that they will post your ad, because this doesn't work automatically like Telegram. If I select this particular channel now, Telegram.io will give him the order that someone wants to advertise on your platform. You should post it. If you are following my Telegram channel a few days back, you will discover that I posted something about Telegram.io. That is an advert being given to me to post. You understand where I'm going now? So if you want to advertise here now, this simply means, if you look at that post, though I have deleted it, I mistakenly deleted it, I would have used it to show you guys right now. If you post it, you will leave that post for 1 hour. Don't post any other thing, because a lot of people don't explain this thing very well. This 124 means leave it for 1 hour. Don't post any other thing below it. After 1 hour, you can now post something below it. You can now post other posts. You get that? But this 24 hours means while you are still posting other things in your Telegram channel, don't delete this particular post until after 24 hours. I don't know whether you guys get what I'm saying. This 2/24 means 2 hours, 48 hours, which simply means 2 hours, 2 days. It simply means that if I select this right now and then click on this particular post to run an advert here, all right, look at the cost, $7.2. This is what they will be charging me to post this. The guy is going to receive the order, and on receiving the order, the guy is now going to post what I told him to post and leave it on his channel without posting any other thing below it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the person will start posting any other thing he wants to post. But even at posting any other thing you want to post, don't delete that particular advert post. Leave it for good 2 days before you delete it. Now, let's say we want to run an advert on a specific channel. Let's say we want to run an advert on this particular post channel. Okay, we can then click on this particular icon here, that is add to cart. We just click on it, and then we click on this add to cart. All right, now it takes us over here. As you can see, the total money we are going to be paying for this is $39.98. Now listen, you can add more channels to your catalog. The more you add, the more your money over here keeps increasing. Okay, so you can advertise on multiple channels at the same time. So, but for the purpose of this video, let's just continue from here. Let me just click on continue. Okay, as you can see, it says oops, insufficient funds. Had it been I have up to $57.5, I would have run this advert immediately. So you can pay by card, you can top up via bank transfer, you can top up using other methods. Let's just click on top up using other methods. Let me now show you guys how to recharge on this platform, because it is very, very important. All right, so that is it. As you can see, now coming on the top up area, you are going to be seeing a lot of options. Okay, you can top up with Mamo, that is by card. You can top up with this Capitalist, that is crypto, USDT, TRC20 and BTC. You can top up with Payer. You can even top up with Toad from your Telegram or maybe any Tone wallet or something like that. You can top up with Crypto Moves. There is a lot of things people don't teach you guys about these top up sections or payment systems. All right, now looking at this topping up by card, just take a look at this. It's very important you read this. System commission from here is 15%. That simply means that, let's say you are depositing $100. Already, the system will take $15 from that money, and minimum deposit is $50. Do you see that? And maximum you can top up is for $100 with your card. Now let us click on this Capitalist. Okay, now clicking on the Capitalist, you're gonna see that this one talks about crypto. Okay, system commission is still 15% out of whatever you deposit, and minimum you can deposit here is $20. You see that? Some people might be asking me at this point, but you told us that we can deposit as low as $2 or $3 as the case may be. Just calm down. All right, now this is a minimum of $20, a maximum of $23,000 you can deposit with crypto. And again, this one is per year. Okay, 15% charge, that is it. All right, then this one is Tone, 15% charge too, no minimum and maximum. Then the best you can use here is Crypto Moves, guys. With this Crypto Moves, you can even deposit as low as $1. But the thing there is that just take a look at this. The minimum you can deposit is $0.85, and I think it's the same thing with Tone. The minimum is $0.85 per year. The minimum is $0.85. You see, more than all these ones that the minimum is $20 and the minimum is $50. So the best I have used so far is Crypto Moves. But just note that whatever you are depositing, you are going to pay 15% of it. Let's just say I put like 2 USDT here and I click on add funds. Let's check what it's going to bring out for us. There is what I want to show you. Okay, now coming from here, as you can see, we want to deposit $2. Okay, it has told us to deposit $2.85. All right, so now from here, now it says select network. You either select Tron or you select Tone. Now listen, after paying the fees that they're going to give you here, if you select TRC20, I don't know about Binance might be a little bit lower, but on Bybit you're going to be requiring $1.3, that is 1.3 USDT of fees to deposit. You discover that if you are depositing only $2, at the end of the day, if you add everything you have deposited, they will be going up to $4 plus, which is very bad, which is ×2. But here, if you select Tone, if you go to your Bybit, you discover that the fees of Tone is very minimal. It's almost closer to zero. Okay, so you can use Tone as your network to deposit here. Very, very important. And that is how I deposited. As you can see, if you go to my account, you discover I already have $2. So this is how you can definitely run an advert on Telegram.io. But what if you have a channel and you want people to run adverts on your channel? If you want to know how to do this, click on this video that is coming right now. Let's go.